Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing number 221. If we start with this box here, looks like we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 2 and an 8 here, so this is our 7. But no other help. Oh, no. We do actually have an 8 here, so this is our 2 and our 8. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 9 here, so this is our 5. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. I don't see any help, so 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, and 1, 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. I don't see any help, so 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got the 4 here, so 3, 9, a 4 here, and a 9 here. So this is our 3, that 9 makes this our 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 5, and no help here, 1, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. No help here, so 2, 3, 9. A 2 and a 9 here. That makes this our 3. And no help here, so 2, 9. And we can get rid of this 3 up here. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so that makes this our 7. A 6 here, so 3, 6. And then we can get rid of this 7 here. For this box then, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. I don't see any help, so 1, 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 9, a 9 here, so 2, 5, and the 5 here, so 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here. So 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, 9. We've got the 5 here, so 1, 4, 9. 4 and 5 here, so 1, 9. 4 and 5 here, so 1, 9. So if we look back, this is the only place the 5 can be, and this is the only place the 4 can be. That 5 makes this our 1. That 5 also makes this our 1, so this is our 3. That 1 means this is our 2, which makes this our 5. these 2s and these 1s. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so that's our 4. The 7 here makes this our 6, 7. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 5 and our 8. That 5 makes this our 2 and 9. This 9 makes this our 1. This is our 7. So that 7 makes this our 1, 7. This 9 makes this our 2, 9. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. That 1 makes this our 9. So for this box now, we're missing a 1 and a 5. We've got a 1 here, 5, 1. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing 8. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row, we're missing a 2 and a 4. We've got a 2 there, so 4, 2. And to finish out this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.